So we have 6.5 divided by minus 1.47 is going to give us minus 4.422. And mind you, this one is in seconds square per meters. So now, from our equation, we know that t squared is equal to minus 4 pi squared x over g plus 4 pi squared capital H over g, whereby is given as y is equal to mx plus c, and the slope stands for minus 4 pi squared g. Since slope here, m stands for minus 4 pi squared over g, it implies that minus 4 pi squared over g is the same thing as minus 4.422 seconds square all over meters. So now, automatically, we can find our g. Our g is given by 4 pi squared all over 4.422 seconds square all over meters. Minus will cancel minus. We already know that. So this will give us, this is 39.4 pi squared 3.142 squared times 4 is 39.48. 39.48 all over 4.442 divided by 4.422 will give us 4.422 will give us 8.930. So therefore G is 8.930 meters per second square. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity in Taraba State University Physics Laboratory, as we have computed it. The next task is to find the height from the floor to the ceiling from the laboratory. From our intercept here is where this line of the slope intersect the y-axis. It intersects the y-axis at 11.5 seconds square. So therefore, from the equation that we have here, intercept C stands for the whole of this one here, 4 pi squared capital H over G. So therefore, if intercept C is equal to 4 pi squared capital H over G, from the graph, intercept is 11.5 seconds square. By inspection, 11.5 seconds square is equal to 4 pi square capital H over G, and our G, we found it to be 8.93 meters per second square. So now, if we want to compute H, we have 11.5 seconds square is equal to 4 pi square is the same thing as 39.48 times capital H all over what? 8.93 meters per second square. Now when we cross multiply, we have 11.5 seconds square times 8.93 meters per second square is equal to H all over 39.48. Now second square cancels second square. So what is our H? Our H, which is the height of the ceiling, is 11.5 times 8.93 meters all over 39.48. So this gives us 11.5 times 8.93 is equal to 695 all over 39.48. Divide by 39.48, we have 260. So H is 2.60 meters. And this is approximately the height from the floor to the ceiling in physics laboratory. At the end of this, we can see that we're able to find the value of capital H, height from the ceiling to floor, and the acceleration due to gravity in physics laboratory. This is a classical question in A-level physics. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.